In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the canonical tag issue in Shopify efficiently and effectively. As you may know, canonical tags are crucial for managing duplicate content issues in e-commerce, helping search engines understand which version of a page to prioritize in search results. To start, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look for Online Store on the left-hand sidebar and give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll select Themes. Remember, this is where all your theme-related tasks are managed. Next, on the Themes page, you'll notice the Actions button located on the right-hand side of the theme you're currently using. Click it and from the drop-down menu, choose Edit Code. You're now inside the code editor with all your theme files available to view and edit. As we're specifically dealing with canonical tags, navigate to the Layout section and find the theme.liquid file. This file is the backbone of your entire theme, containing vital settings for every page of your store. Carefully, open the theme.liquid file and begin searching for any existing canonical tags. You can do this by using the search functionality in your browser, usually accessed with Ctrl+F or Command+F, and typing in canonical. Once you locate the existing canonical tags, you'll need to ensure they're correctly implemented. If the canonical tag is set incorrectly, modify it to point to the preferred version of the URL. For Shopify, this often involves pointing to the main product page without any session or tracking parameters. Proper canonicalization ensures search engines focus on the primary version, boosting visibility. In some cases, you might find there's no canonical tag in place at all. If that's your situation, don't worry. Adding a canonical tag isn't as daunting as it might initially seem. Still, in the theme.liquid file, look for the head section of your HTML. Insert the correct canonical tag in this area. Typically it should look something like link rel, canonical, ref, shop.url, page.url. Ensure you replace it with the correct syntax that fits your site structure. Once you've made your changes, it's crucial to validate them. Save your changes by clicking the Save button on the top right and head over to your live store. View the page's source code, again using your browser's search feature, and confirm the canonical tags appear correctly. Taking these steps properly not only directs search engines appropriately, but it also solidifies your SEO efforts, resulting in improved rankings and more focused traffic to the best version of your pages. Always double-check your edits before publishing and keep a backup of original files, just in case something needs reverting. Thanks for watching, and let's ensure your Shopify store is performing at its best.